Hi, my name is Kenneth, and I'll be talking about the economics behind hemp. So, hemp is grown in at least 30 countries worldwide, with China being the most dominant producer. China, other leading producers include South Korea, Russia, and Europe. Mo- Hemp is mostly grown as a fiber crop and a seed crop. So, so, and it is also originated from cannabis sativa. Since it's originated from cannabis sativa, this makes it illegal for hemp to be grown in the U.S. because of its origin to marijuana. Thus, the U.S. imports hemp from other countries, and usually they build their market by importing many products of hemp from other countries. So this results the hemp global markets to have at least 25,000 products, and the U.S. imports many of these products, as you can see in the chart here. And with the highest hemp products include seeds and oil cakes. So the commercial usage of hemp includes food, beverages, personal care products, nutrition, and construction and insulation. Um, so uh, um, so the market of hemp also includes agriculture, textiles, automotive, and furniture. And hemp can also be used to create fabrics and textiles and many things and many other products. So in the U.S., retail sales has experienced more than 15% of growth from 2010 to 2015 because they're producing products with hemp. So the growth on retail has increased tremendously from 2010 and 2015, and hemp hemp has also been used as a biodiesel feedstock and cover crop. So basically, hemp can also be used as a potential source of energy. So as you can see here, 16% of hemp is used on food, and 8% is used on supplements like medicine and drug pills. Um, Like I mentioned before, 20% is used on industrial applications like textiles, carpentry, and other construction related materials, and 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 26% is used on personal care like body wash, and 2% is used on other consumer products. So the distribution of hemp includes China, which is the largest supplier of USA imports of raw and hemp fiber. Um, but Romania and Hungary and India also export hemp fiber to the US. So this makes the US as the largest import of hemp in the world. Canada also have their own source supplying of hemp in the form of hemp seed and oil cake, and they also supply this to the US as well. So the benefits of hemp products include in the form of hemp seeds, which can be a good source of nutrition. So basically, they provide like healthy nutritional ingredients that are really important for the body, like fiber and calcium. Hemp oil can be used to make foods, including cheese, and they can also be healthy for the body. So they can reduce diseases and increase physical energy levels. Hemp can also be a source of renewable energy since it can be turned into biodiesel crop. It can become a potential to become a renewable energy, and in the recent years, there's debate on whether hemp can be used as a as a new energy resource in the future, so that they can reduce greenhouse gases and eventually protect the environment. And I think that hemp can make a positive change in the environment.